for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.